Hey, book lovers, Tabitha here, ready to learn about some incredible new nonfiction from Usborne and Kane Miller. Kids love our nonfiction books because they know how to make it irresistible to want to learn. Okay, so if you haven't seen our pocketbooks, we have many in this series. They're just kind of awesome spotter guides full of lots of great trivia information, which kids love that. We now have predators and ocean animals, which are two very high interest topics with kids. Love these, fantastic just to have in your home library. If you know Usborne, Lift the Flap books, we have dozens and dozens and dozens for a reason because they're fun for kids. It's a fun way to learn, but it also helps them to retain the information by being more interactive with the book. This is now one of my absolute favorites. First questions and answers. How do I see? It goes through all the different senses and asks the very common questions that kids have, and then they find the answers underneath by lifting the flap. Great way for them to learn, and I just love that Usborne offers so many books about the human body and about food. This is another new one because that's just empowering for kids to have this information about where their food comes from, why they should eat this and not eat that, and just lots of other great questions about something that they do many, many times a day. So those are great new ones. Okay, this is a new unique one that I'm kind of in love with. It is Usborne's Outdoor Book. It is a gorgeous hardcover, and it is only $9.99, which I'm absolutely blown away with. But it just is all about exploring lots of different things in nature. It includes different activities in different parts of nature. Here's hunting creatures, bird watching, tree detective, wild art. There's information about camping. So setting up a camp, building a shelter. There's campfire. There's cloud spotting. Oh my goodness. So much fun information in this book. The kids will just absolutely love exploring our beautiful, great outdoors. Now, I love words. They're so powerful, and I love seeing kids building and expanding their vocabulary. And we have some great thesaurus options. Maybe you've seen this. Our illustrated thesaurus is great really for all ages, even just to have in your home, even for the teens and the adults, just to build and add to our vocabulary. But now we have one for younger kids. It's a wonderful large hardcover, big picture thesaurus, and how much fun are those illustrations to really give kids a visual understanding of what all these wonderful words mean and to rapidly build and grow their vocabulary. I love that one. Now, maybe you've seen our absolute #1 top-selling series from Kane Miller, which is our flashlight books or shine-a-light books. We now have two new ones, Wonders of the USA and Secrets of Our Earth, and they're top-selling for a reason. Talk about fun. So every page asks a question. So in Wonders of the USA, they're going to ask a question about something that is just part of the American culture, and then it asks them a question about what they're seeing in the picture. So here you can see it's asking, it's talking about NASA's Mission Control Center in Houston, and it's asking what these flight controllers are looking at on this screen. So you take your flashlight and you shine it behind the page, and you discover what's hidden in the picture. Turn the page and read about your discovery. Oh my goodness, what a fun way for kids to learn. And we have, I think, 11 other books in that series. So great. Parent with a flashlight, and that is an awesome gift idea. Okay, so finally, we have a really great series that maybe you're familiar with, our beginner reference books. We now have young beginner books. This is the newest in the series, Woodland Creatures. How adorable is that? But these are wonderful first reference books. The beginner reference, or young beginners, has great illustrations, bite-sized chunks of information, great for little ones. And then maybe you're familiar with the just regular Usborne beginner series. We have, I don't know, several dozen in this series. Gorgeous photos and wonderful illustrations. It includes an index and a glossary and table of contents. Great beginner reference books. And I'm so excited that we now have a fantastic gift set that includes 10 of our animal reference books, which are incredibly popular with school-age children. And it comes in this wonderful gift case. And it's only $45 for all 10 of those gorgeous hardcover books. Such an awesome gift idea, and just to have in your home library. Kids will love it. Happy learning!